Welcome to Lagos Fanti Carnival! Everyone sees the Lagos Fanti Carnival, but not everyone sees this. Let me show you what I caught in slow motion. I actually slowed this down, and what I discovered at the Lagos Fanti Carnival actually shocked me. I caught this guy on camera looking at the backside of another woman. Hey! Everyone came with big energy, including the Bakassi. Bro literally became a spectator at another woman's backyard. This is one traditional attire I love so much. Look at the energy, the joy, and look at how this traditional attire was made. This is elegant, locally made, and it speaks tradition. So what do I call this? This girl is literally intoxicated with energy, good vibes. This is the trick most vendors are using to catch people to come and eat. Imagine, come shop and stop borrowing tripod. You dey buy your love, win tripod. If you eat from them, you might win a fabulous prizes at the Lagos Fanti Carnival. I caught these two lovebirds. I don't even know if they are boyfriend or girlfriend, but they swipe beside me like Ogani Koshijo. This woman looks so elegant in her attire inspired. I even thought I'm recording with vocal, but I'm on my slow motion mode. Lovely attires. I think this is amazing for the carnival. The yellow color look bright. Colors everywhere. These horse riders are another spectacle with their powerful display, energy from their horses. This is fun to watch. Who says Fanti Carnival doesn't come with its vibes? My camera spotted this woman just, having the fun of her lifetime. No cameras, no paparazzi. She's just enjoying herself. This is the vibe that Lagos Fanti Carnival can bring. This moment shows that Lagos Fanti Carnival is not for the Lagosians or an African alone. Look at the white men trooping in. It is called the biggest Afro-Brazilian carnival. When you are coming to a carnival like this, you don't come with your heads alone. Moments like this really melt my heart. Families, children, no matter the numbers of children that you have, bring them to the Fanti Carnival and have fun of your lifetime. These ladies in costume are the real vibes of the Lagos Fanti Carnival. From their colorful costume to their display, dances, they make the carnival lively, and everywhere you turn to, you see them dancing and bringing the vibes, colorful carnival. This is a lovely t-shirt made especially for the organizers and volunteers at the carnival. 2 fingers for the camera, guys. This lady is arguably one of the most beautiful girls I've seen at the carnival. She probably must be a model because every paparazzi was on her trying to take a picture of her, and she was so happy. Where a lot of people are gathered, there must be heat. The temperature at Lagos County Carnival is not even helping. Look at this lady using a hand fan before she even entered the main pavilion. Oh my God! She dresses like a real Yoruba woman in her own comfort. Paparazzi flocking on her. She's dancing to their waves. Drummers are drumming, and even these costume ladies can't get enough of the vibes. The drum makes them dance. I guess these 2 beautiful ladies are creators. Look at their attires, Ankara imprint inspire. This looks lovely on them. I say hi to my camera, say hi. She's even calling her friend that give thumbs up to the camera. This is so lovely on slow motion. Spotted this mama. Oh my goodness, she put it on the vibes. She put it on 100% vibes, even more than some guys. Wow, at this age, thumbs up, mama. This is why it is called a carnival. If you know, you know. I called the costume ladies again, bringing up the vibes 100, having fun, dancing, and the colors are really, really amazing. Big man with the vibes, let's go, let's go. Lovely attires. My camera caught up with this young boy, making fun, having fun of his lifetime. I love this moment. How can you come to a carnival like this and you are so shy? Before camera spot on her face, she was dancing, but the moment she saw the camera, she shied away. Oh my God, sorry. The costume ladies are still lighting up the mood, entertaining viewers with their amazing performances. Beautiful white ladies trooping in to have fun at the carnival as well. For a carnival like this, you don't come alone, you come with your handbag. At this moment, I actually thought I'm recording, not knowing that I'm on a slow motion mode. Oh my goodness, beautiful moment as well, because I am at the carnival to give you all the sight and sound at the carnival. This butterfly costume looks elegant, look like Grandpa believe he can fly. I'm just joking. So which of these moments that I've shown you is your best moment or the moment that you love most? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you at the next year Lagos Fanti Carnival. Subscribe to the channel.